Hi everybody and welcome to this short series about basic mathematics that I think everybody should know. We're going to start the series with the question, what is a division? And let's look at an example. If we would like to divide the number 12 by 3, well, there are two ways of looking at this. The first way is if we partition 12 into 3 equal parts. So let's draw 3 circles in here. How much does every part contain? Well, of course, if we partition 12 into 3 equal parts and we put 4 in every bag, so these parts are equal, then since 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, we know that dividing 12 by 3 equals 4. And we can write this, of course, because adding the same number to itself over and over, this amounts to just multiplying 3 times 4. Well, that's one way of looking at divisions. Another way is how many times does 3 fit into 12? So to answer this question, we're going to just start adding 3 to itself until we reach 12. We can start with 1, 3 plus 3, then we're at 6. We can add another 3, then we're at 9. If we add another 3, then we are at 12. And of course, this is just saying that we're doing 4 times 3. And of course, multiplying numbers is commutative. 4 times 3 equals 3 times 4. So we see that both ways are actually equivalent, the same ways. But in some scenarios, thinking about division, it's better to use the first one. Or thinking about division, for example, where you're going to study the algorithm of Euclidean division, the second way is kind of nice to think about. Now, this particular example is easy. Well, 12 dividing by 3, it's 4. It's a positive number. It's a whole number. Positive whole number. It's a natural number. But it does not always need to be. For example, if we look at the number, do this in blue, 10 divided by 3. So this is a fraction. Of course, 12 divided by 3 is also a fraction. A fraction is just a whole number divided by another whole number, which is not 0. So how many times does 3 fit into 10? Well, we can start adding 3 plus 3 plus 3, then we are at 9. But then if we add 3 again, then we're at 12, which is bigger than 10. So this is actually just a representation of the number 10 divided by 3. It just says, okay, this is the amount that if we divide 10 into 3 equal parts, that's what we get. Or how many times does 3 fit into 10? Well, that's 10 divided by 3. Of course, if you know about decimal numbers, you can write this as 3.333 and so on and so on. But that's not what I want to focus on in this movie. What you can do, every fraction you can always write as a whole number plus a fraction between 0 and 1. In this case, well, 3 fits 3 times into 10. And then we are at 9. So we have 1 left over. So we can add in 1/3. And that is actually what I would like you to try in the next 2 examples. Try to write 62 divided by 7 and 97 divided by 5 as a whole number, a natural number in this case, positive, plus a fraction which is between 0 and 1. Pause the video for a moment, try this. Well, the answer here, 7 times 8 is 56, so 7 fits 8 whole times into 62, and if we do that, then we still have 6 left over, so we can write it as 8 plus 6 divided by 7. Well, and 5 fits 19 times into 97, and then we still have 2 remainders. That's for the first video. Next video we're going to look at divisors and multiples. Ciao.